you for sitting down. Thank you. Wow! Ano makita nyo? Ano makita nyo? Numbers. Okay. Ibutan ni teacher sa 4. Ibutan ko ha. Alright, let's put a scotch tape. Excuse me. Si Ma'am Sophia. Excuse me. Alright, next thing. Wow, I have a dice. See what color is this? Red. Okay, this is a big dice. Okay, can you form a line? Ganito, kung paano mag-form a line, turn-taking kita isa-isa ha. Pagtapos na ganit, pwede na ka. Okay. Hindi kita mahiya. Kita nyo sa likod ni Princess. Okay. Azrael. Dito sa likod ni Azrael. Okay. Dili ka ni Elijah. It's okay. 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 Sila sa likod. Alright. I'm sorry. Wala na dyan. Dito sa likod. Sa likod, no? Dito sa likod. Halika kita sa likod. Dito sa likod. Okay. It's okay. Tagal kita makahanggang. Driban na driban. Yan. Okay. Sino may una? Si? Okay, si Princess. Princess, pagtapos mo, ako yung rahon to. Marol si teacher. Sanday sa tawin yan eh ha. Wait na. Listen na ni teacher. Okay, 1, 2, 3. O, sa tawa, sa babaw. Pila ka, pila. Wow, let's count. Very good. So, jump na ako sa 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ready? Ready na? Okay, dito ko kapatid. Ready? Princess will go first. Okay, go Princess. Ready? Guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Ihapon guys. Okay, Princess. Pila? 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 2. Okay, go Princess. Jump. Very good. High five. Okay. Go. Nishan. Okay. Akisha. Roll the dice. As I did. 1, 2, 3, go. Roll. Woo. Wow. Pila ni? 6. Akisha, isip pa na. Akisha, ito ka. Okay. Go, Akisha. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. So, ano yung number? Number 6. Very good. Okay, go Pila. Wow. Okay, what number? 3. Very good. You go. Jump. Very good. High five. Throw. Taas, taas. Oh, what number is this? 1. Okay, go. Jump. Woo! Ako na. Okay, Diwan. Hindi na ka-jump? Isa na ka-jump. Ready? Okay. Good job, Gian. Okay, go sit down. Natalia, throw it up. Woo! Okay, Natalia. Count. Wala? O, sige ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 ka jump. Okay, ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Uy, what? Okay, again. Okay. Jump out 1 by 1. Okay, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. 5, 6. Okay, okay, what number is that? 6. Okay, go thank you. Okay, it's Pudding. Okay, go Pudding. Roll the dice. Wow! What number? Pila? 1. Pila ni Pudding, si ba? 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pila? 5. Okay, jump. Go jump. 1, 2, Berenice, and 3. Very good. Berenice, 4. Very good. And 5. Okay, good job. Next, Zeo's turn. Okay, go. Okay, what number? Zeo's big lang, 2. Okay, go. Very good. Good job. Azrael, pilapit na lang ikaw. Ready, go. Azrael, what number? Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, now say, go. Okay, Sai, what number? What number? 2. Okay, let's count this. Okay, you jump. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, Evelyn. And then continue from Evelyn, ha? Ready? Okay, Evelyn, pila? Pila, Evelyn? Pila ni Sipa? Okay, slowly. 1. Galing, 1. Sipa, tunta, ha? Okay, everyone, huli natin si Evelyn mag-count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. Okay, just jump 3 times. And 1, then 2, 3. What number is that? What number? 3. Very good. Okay, Nathan. Nathan, ready? Go. Okay, Nathan, how many? Pila? Pila, Nathan? Very good. Okay. Oh, dito is a 1. Okay, then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? Now, what number is that? 6. Okay, very good. Okay, can you please sit down? Okay, ano ganyan ang balik, sir? Ano ganyan ang balik, ma? Very good. I know you're excited. Okay? Now, everyone, ano makita sa sari-sari store we have? And, thank you. And, okay, and, what else? Eggplant, carrots, potatoes, wait lang. Potatoes, Yakult, Shopee. Nagpagkat ko kita sa grocery store na ano ba time? May push cart. Kita ginapunta nga ng grocery sa tingin? Sa tingin? Sa push cart. May I call on Jovan. This is Jovan. Okay, Jovan. Mag-grocery kita, Jovan. Jovan, sige, Jovan. Si Jovan na rin mga sa grocery store, ha? Ano yung Jovan? Jovan, sige. Si Jovan, ang your friend and classmate. Jovan, ka, ito balik sa 3 ka stick code. 3. Ilan stick code, Jovan? Very good. Okay, pila ka dilog iputang mo? Pila ka dilog? Pila? 3. Okay, let's go. Then Jovan, pila ka dilog? 3. Very good. Okay, just put it there. Just put it there. Okay, next. May I call on si Nathan? Yung si Nathan, man. Nathan! Sige, sila makuha ka. Okay, okay, Nathan, kami yung Nathan. Mag-grocery si Nathan. Baka kita ni Nathan ng 6 ka cookies. Okay, let's count na. Let's go na. Sit down, everyone. Okay, let's go ni Nathan. Okay, sit down. Pila ka dito? 1, 2, Pilay, Simon. Sige mo.